Hi everybody, I hope you're doing well. In today's video, we're going to see how to move the point, which is a special buffer position at the beginning and the end of the buffer. Also, how to move the point at a specific place in the buffer, and how to move to the point at the beginning and the end of a line. So the first function we want to look at is point, which gives us as an integer the value of the point. Point mean will give us the minimum permissible value for the point, which is 1 in the case of a buffer that is not narrowed. We can have point max for the same thing, but for the maximum value in the buffer. Now, if we want to go to a specific place in the buffer, we can use goto-char and pass it an integer, which is the place. And let's say we pass it for 3, 4, 9, and we evaluate, and we go to the place where we evaluate the function point at the beginning. Now, if we want to go at the beginning of buffer, we just have to use point min function and pass it the result to goto-char function. We evaluate and we see that we go at the beginning of the buffer. Now let's instead of using point min, we use point max. This will jump us to the end of the buffer. Another interesting function is forward char. So when we know the number of characters we want to move forward, let's call this foo here, we can use the function forward char, and now we are moving 4 characters forward. We can use also backward, so backward char, and in this case we will move 4 characters before backward. Now the other two interesting functions are beginning of line. So if we evaluate it, we go to the beginning of line, and the same thing with end of line. In this case, we have the result we wanted. See you in the next video.